Hi and welcome to another Blender modifier video. So this time we are going to do the mask modifier. So there's three ways to do the mask modifier. It's with a vertex group, armature, and weights. The only issue is that for armature, I'm having a hard time setting it up or putting it together. I still don't know how to do it, so I'm only going to show you two ways, but I just wanted to let you know, hey, there is that option. It's just I haven't figured it out yet. All right, so let's get started. So we are gonna not use a cube, we're gonna use a sphere so we can make this look a little nicer. All right, then tab, edit mode, and we're gonna do some proportional editing. Let's just pick something like this, G, and just make it look wonky because it's cool. Actually, no, we're gonna leave proportional here. All right, then we're gonna go to edit mode because we're already here. X-ray mode. Press 1 for whatever side view, I think, or front view. Then select all these vertices right here. You can honestly select any of the vertices. I'm just picking these, and then we're going to go down here where it says object data properties and create a vertex group. This is what you'll need to work with the mask. So add vertex group, assign, click right here, and then to make sure it did get properly assigned, just select right here, and that's it. Okay, so now we have our vertex group. You can name them whatever you want, but we're just going to leave it alone. Now let's go to object mode, modifier, add modifier, mask. So just to recap and let you know, what the mask modifier does is it allows you to hide the vertex group that you selected for that object dynamically, and you'll see what I mean in a second. All right, put this up right here, the timeline. Let's select our vertex group, which is just group. So we're only showing the vertex group that we selected. Everything else just kind of disappears. We're going to go to the threshold right here, and we're going to put insert keyframe. Then we're going to move this to 60 or higher, and then we're going to do the same thing over here, but we're going to move it. So, maybe make it smooth. Oh, I guess it's not much. Okay. Like that, it'll just cause that to happen. Then insert keyframe, and then it's not that great, unfortunately, with just a vertex group from an object. Weighted is a little better. Here, let's try a different object, which might work better, just so you have a little more examples. Shift A, cube, tab, edit mode. Let's subdivide a few times. That's good. And we're gonna pick half of this. All right, right here. All right. Then create our vertex group. Assign. There it is. And let's go back to object mode. Add that modifier. Mask. Select our vertex group. So it'll only show the vertex group, the parts we selected. Now we're going to make it smooth, so it adds a little more flair right there. And then threshold, just kind of make it dynamically disappear. Think of it like a dissolve kind of modifier, but it's dynamic. All right, and you can make a little clip of it. I mean, a little animation of it. So like that. Keyframe. Move this. And then over here, right? Smooth this. So I don't have to worry about that. Okay. And then just like that. Take smoothing off. Yeah, it does not take it. All right. So it'll show what was selected and what was not selected from that vertex group. All right, let's go ahead and show you how to do it with the weights. So for the weights, I'm gonna actually we can do it with this. Let's go down to the vertex groups, delete this, and delete this down here. No, Shift A, make another cube then. And go to weight paint, and we're gonna use gradient. Press 1, and then like this, hold and drag. All right, and that's what we have here. All right, that is our group. Our vertex groups gets created there automatically. Now let's go back to object mode for this. Again, add the mask modifier, and this is going to look way better. So group, all right. Then we're going to go down to 0 here, add that keyframe, and as we move it, what's going on? Oh, okay. We make it disappear. This might work better in, what do you call it? Nice, okay. In a sphere, let me try that, just so you have another example. All right, Shift A, sphere, 1, tab, texture paint. Oh, sorry. Weight paint. Let's make the strength. That's fine. Radio. All right. All right. More different color variation here, so it might look better. All right. Then tab. Make sure that's that. Object mode. Add that modifier. Oh, I might have actually pressed the invert, or no, actually that shouldn't have mattered. Let's move the threshold. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, no, that's way cooler like that. Let's see if we inverse it, it'll just create it the opposite way. That's it. So when you smooth it, it's just, well, just very smooth. Yeah, I guess it'll works better with spherical objects, but you know, any object it'll work with. We just have to tweak things. But yeah, that's how you use masks. I hope this helps, and you know, if I figure out how to do it with armatures, I'll definitely make a video and upload it. So yeah, thanks for listening, and until next time.